In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Constant Contact. Have you ever uploaded an image into your email or design template only to realize it's not quite aligned or positioned how you'd like? Maybe it's a little off-kilter, or perhaps it's facing the wrong way altogether. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll guide you through the process of rotating or flipping an image to get everything precisely as it should be. First things first. If your image isn't already in your template, you'll need to insert it. This ensures that the changes you make will have a direct impact on the layout you're working on. Take a moment to choose the right spot for your image, using any guidelines available to help find the perfect position for the visual impact you're aiming for. Next, simply click on the image. This action will open up a handy toolbar along with a variety of options. What you want to do here is click on Replace. Doing this will open up a window with more functionalities. Then, select the Edit button. This will bring you into the image editor where all the magic happens. Once you're in the image editor, take a look for the Transform option and click on it. This is where you'll find all the tools needed to alter your image's orientation. Think of this as your creative workspace where you can start to change the image's direction. Now, within the Transform settings, you'll see various tools at the bottom of the editor, including those for rotation. Rotating an image is straightforward. It essentially involves pivoting the picture on an axis like the hands of a clock. You can rotate your image in increments of 90 degrees simply by clicking on the arrows. This will allow you to quickly move your image from portrait to landscape or reverse. This step is fantastic for getting that picture to look just right in your design. Take your time experimenting with these settings until your image is aligned perfectly to your satisfaction. And once you've got it exactly as you'd like, go ahead and click Export. This will save the changes you've made to your image. Remember, making sure everything looks right before you finalize changes is key to creating a seamless design. Finally, the last step is to click Insert. This action completes the rotation or flipping process, embedding your newly oriented image back into your template. And there you have it. Rotating an image in Constant Contact is that simple. Whether you're adjusting an alignment or creatively flipping your image to create balance within your content, knowing these steps allows you to have greater control over your design. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you continue to create visually engaging content effortlessly.